what it do? So as you can tell from the title, OMG, I got a unice, however you pronounce it, wig. This was one of my Christmas gifts. Yeah, I'm so excited. So it is, let me see. I think I took, did I take them on this? Oh shoot, I think I took the screenshots on my other phone. But yeah, so hang on one sec. Let me get those screenshots because they're on my vlogging phone. So let me transfer them really quick. I'll be right back. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you're notified as to when I post. And so you are kept up to date. All right, I'll be right back. I'm so sorry. All right, sorry you guys. I transferred the info over. All right, so it is a 13x4. Is flexible with hairstyling, super natural looking, pre-plucked hairline with baby hair, can be free part, middle part, side part, half bun, multiple clips, adjustable bands, and soft and smooth virgin hair. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so this is what the box looked like. Obviously, she's been through some things. She came from China. All right, and then so it actually had a little sticker thing, and it said, oh, this says cannot be defined. Oh, let's get into it. All right, so all right, so it's supposed to be 18 inches, body wave, 13x4, transparent lace. You know we love that. All right, and I'm so excited because it's a human hair wig. It's 18 inches. Oh my god, I'm so excited. All right, so it feels soft from the net, like it feels soft. All right, so actually, let me turn this light on over here. Don't come for me. All right, we are still in the process of organizing. Okay, here's a little bit more light. I don't know. Let me see. I'm gonna move that. There we go. There we go. A little bit better, hopefully. Don't come for me. All right, it's been a long day. All right, and yes, the baby hairs are baby hairing. Okay, they're right there. All right, it says it's transparent lace. I'm liking it. Oh my god, y'all, so soft. And look at the bounciness. Okay. Oh my god, it's so soft. Yeah, I think, yeah. I think I'm gonna ask Michaela to install this wig instead of the blonde wig, y'all, because this one is actually more the length of what I wanted. I really wanted like 20 inches, but I'm gonna wait and get that for my birthday. I'm gonna get like, yeah, 26 and just for my birthday for sure. But yeah, so it comes. All right, so let's get into the wig. All right, baby hairs are baby hairing, okay? And look at this side lace. Looks so good. It looks so good. I'm loving it. Okay. All right, so let's get into this part. All right, there are 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 for the kitchen, and then it also comes with the adjustable strappies and another strap. So, you know, we will definitely be secure with this wig. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and like throw it on really quick. So let me see how, I feel like they put this on inside out because the adjustable bracket is facing inward, you know, instead of out. So I'm just gonna flip this the other way. All right, anyway, y'all, so I just took the strap off, all right, because I was over it. So, oh, I forgot to get into the bag. Oh, so here, okay. I'm gonna set this aside for like 2 seconds. All right, so let's get into the bag of goodies. All right, because I low-key totally forgot about these. Very cute bag. All right, it has the company name. Let's get into it. Ooh, all right. Wig cap, nice. One fits all, and then it has a little QR scan thing. All right, and then lashes. Okay, I call these stripper lashes. These are high volume lashes is what they would call them. I call them stripper lashes because, like, those are the lashes the girls would wear at the strip club that you could see in the dark. Lay down band, always need that. And what is this? I don't know. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's a makeup brush. Hey, nice. Okay, cute little travel makeup brush. Okay, we like that. We love that. Okay. All right, and that was it for the little goodie bag. But yeah, nice. It was supposed to come with clips, but that's okay. I'm not tripping about it. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on. So don't come for me for a quick second. I'm gonna look like a mole rat, okay? Hold on. Did I even? Oh yeah, I did. I put it on right. But yeah, so I'm so excited to get this wig installed, y'all. You have no idea. I've wanted a human hair wig like this for a very long time. So I just put the comb into my kitchen. I'm gonna pull these combs forward and try to get it under the you know, the wig cap. Ooh. Oh, she is gonna look so good, you guys. I might not even need, no, I'm still gonna use the lace tint spray, but y'all, I'm gonna love when this, and it smells good. Oh my God, this hair smells so good. Yeah, I really, yes. Yeah, I might, yeah, I'm gonna ask Michaela if she could install this one instead of the blonde one. I don't know, y'all, because this is so damn cute. Like, I am really, really, really liking this. Like, I swear, if I knew how to braid my own hair, okay, I wouldn't need a person to install my wig because I'd do it myself. Oh my God, I love how this looks. I love it. I love it. Actually, hold on. All right, hey y'all. So I'm gonna put, okay, so this is the unice wig, unice, however you want to pronounce it. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I low-key want this one installed now instead of the blonde one. I low-key do, like, I really, really do. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave her alone. I'm gonna leave her alone, okay, because I don't want to mess her up. It's 18 inches. I'm not really sure if it's true to length. I have not checked it. That's what I should do too. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do that too during this video. Okay, so right now, so you see how I look with the black one, right? And I love the look. I love it. I love how I look with the black. All right, so now we're gonna see how I look with the blonde, because I didn't really see myself. I don't even think I did like a wig review. I definitely did not do an unboxing for this wig, like, at all. I didn't. Oh, the net's getting caught on all the damn pins. I was trying to keep it looking nice, you know, because I wanted it to look nice for the install, but now I'm just like, I feel like I wasted my time prepping this wig when I low-key wanted to wear the longer one, you know? But yeah, so let me see. Oh, this damn net. Okay. Oh, this one has actual. Okay, anyway, I got distracted for a second. So let me see, where's the front? Oh, right here. Here's the front of the wig. Has these damn. Oh, that's the baby hairs. That's why that's falling down. I separated the baby hairs on this wig. But yeah, so let's go ahead and put her on. Kind of like how I did the other one. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna like this one. Here, I'm gonna take the baby hair down so you could see it next to my skin. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. This is gonna be a difficult choice for me, okay? Because I've been wanting a blonde wig like this for a very long time, but it's really short and I'm just like, you know? But yeah, let me know in the comments if you think I should do the blonde or the black, because I don't even know. I don't know what I want to do anymore. And I know I look crazy. This is from separating the baby hairs so that when Michaela styles it, it won't be too hard. But yeah, I'm actually gonna use that for that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, if I should do the blonde or black. But actually, now that I'm still looking at it, I really wouldn't mind the blonde. Like, I don't know. I like them both now. But yeah, I hate this for myself. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Or should I go black or blonde? Okay, we gotta figure it out. We have to figure it out because I already told her to do this wig. So yeah, I don't know. I gotta figure it out. Help me out. But yeah, so hold on really quick. All right, hey y'all, I'm back. Sorry about that. But yeah, so let me know what you guys thought of this really quick wig review. All right, I will put the link for I'll put the link for the black wig down below in the description. All right, I love it. It smells like baby powder. Like, it smells so good. It smells so good. It is transparent. It's 13 by 4. I'm so excited. I really might just choose this wig for my vacation trip. Okay, I really might. I don't know. Oh yeah, we're going on like a mini vacay sometimes. Really low key, like going to check on Mama Callie for real, you know. But yeah, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get the wig installed. It's so soft. It smells so good. I already know. Like, oh. Anyway, you guys saw from the footage how good she looks. Like, she looks good. She looks good. Good. With the T. All right. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Callie Gang, for this quick unboxing / wig review / help me figure out if I want to go black or blonde for my trip. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know when I post and kept up to date. All right, please stay tuned. I'm gonna be doing some giveaways soon. I think within the next like month, I'm gonna be doing giveaways for guys, girls, kids, and pets, and like a home bundle giveaway type thing. But yeah, stay safe and blessed. Let me know what you guys think. If you've tried unice, however you say it. If you tried this company before, let me know what you guys thought. What color did you get? Did it come quick? Because this came sooner than expected. This was supposed to come on like the 16th. Yeah, this one's supposed to come for another 3 days. But it came 3 days early, and I'm so happy and excited. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Would you buy from this brand? Because I would. I'm going to try to email them to get on their PR. Like, for real. Their wigs are amazing. But yeah, stay safe and blessed, Callie Gang. Mwah. Bye.